How to add a vehicle to your Geico policy. Let's get started. Launch your Geico app. You can get this app easy from the App Store or the Play Store, or also you can use the web version to log into your account. You can head towards the website of Geico and log into your account. Provide your credentials, user ID, email or the policy number, and then the password. After you provide your details, click on Login. With that, you'll be logged into your account. After you log in, look for the Vehicles option, which you will typically find under the Policy tab. Tap on Vehicles to access the list of vehicles currently on a policy. To add a new vehicle, tap on the Add Vehicle button. The app will prompt you to enter the details of your new car. You'll need to provide information like the vehicle identification number, VIN, make, model, and year of the vehicle. After entering your vehicle details, it's time to choose your coverage options. The app will guide you through selecting the types of coverage you want for your new vehicle, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. You can customize your coverage by adjusting the limits and deductibles to suit your needs. Once you have made your selections, review the coverage summary to ensure everything is correct. When you are satisfied with the coverage options, tap Continue. The app will provide a summary of the changes to your policy, including any adjustments to your premium. Review the summary, and if everything looks good, tap Confirm to finalize adding your new vehicle to your Geico policy. You will now receive a confirmation message and your updated insurance ID cards will be available in the app immediately. And that's it. Adding a new vehicle to your Geico policy is simple and convenient. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.